gonna stand there?
This is your oil change day. Alright, you'll notice something's missing. We had to push the tow truck out because this is the biggest hoist I have, and we got to do some oil changes today. Well, I say we, but I mean her.
I can't think of anything else that I'd rather do right after I get done showering and get clean and my hair's done than change oil in my car.
Look, the fingernails are already black. You won't even notice it. We're gonna pull, well, she's gonna pull her Yukon in the shop, and we're gonna change oil in it.
This will be part deuce.
Oh yeah, we'll see if she learned anything the first time. I don't think she did.
Where's the dipper sticker?
Well, now just pull her
out. Up goes the weasel. Ew!
Okay, you got any ideas where the oil would go in this thing?
Do you need my help? I've actually been doing this for 18, 19 years.
That is not true. We've got a bit of an obstacle course out here today. Jeez, she's gonna run bend down.
Coming in.
Yep, right there. Okay, once you wiggle out of there, you gotta set the hoist.
Okay. People have been asking, is that Michelle's new car or whatever? And yeah. So there's been a couple of things that have happened since my accident that haven't been such bad things. One of them is this. Got a new Yukon, new to us, but I love it. And so my motor from my other Yukon is gonna be put in the Jeepster.
Is it a motor or an engine?
You know,
there's been a debate.
There has been a debate whether it's a motor or an engine. And I'm trying to think of what people said. There's a difference. Paul calls stuff motors all the time and they're like, that's not a motor, that's an engine.
I know that motors are electric. I just say motors. The internal combustion engine, I understand that. Engines are gas powered. But it's my shop, my words.
I'm confused. So what is this?
It's an engine.
So like a motor is what's electric in like a Tesla?
Yes.
Oh. Same diff, guys, same diff.
Let's quit chatting and let's get this done.
Okay. Are you just gonna stand there?
This is your oil change day. Put her right on the frame.
This is stupid already. So there's one spot.
Let's inspect and see where she put this. Hey, she did get it on the right spot, pretty close.
Go. There's number 2. Look at this. Look at that. This thing doesn't even turn. I think it's broken.
Pull that.
Oh, good job, Hunter.
Now go.
Oh. There you go, little fella. This button?
Yes. Okay. Shake it.
Shake it off.
Now you gotta say it.
That ain't going nowhere.
There you go. Now let's I think we should cut that big ugly muffler off there and put some goodness on that and make it sound good.
No. I don't think we should. Now that Paul
I got this bad girl
emptied
drained.
out the oil tank, where's your gloves?
They're in the proctology section.
Oh my gosh. I literally just got my nails done yesterday.
Yeah, you can probably fit both hands in one of these gloves.
Okay.
You got it.
I've watched a lot of Grey's Anatomy. I can do this.
What side?
So this is the first step to changing oil. A little nut thing needs to be squoze off. You need a tool for that.
What size do you figure?
I don't know.
Oh, geez.
I'm watching. This is entertaining.
This is the size.
All right, I would say
No.
a bit bigger. Is this right?
No. There you go. It may be a 17.
Time.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
It's not even moving.
Let me give you a little help.
It's not even moving.
Thank you. Husbands are not only good for opening jars, they're good for taking the bolts out of cars.
There you go.
too.
That's
Okay, this is the part that's like, pop goes the weasel. I'm gonna do a little bit better job than last time, hopefully. This is freaking me out a little bit.
You're gonna be just fine.
Okay. This is like opening one of those biscuit cans. You never know when it's gonna pop at you.
Oh, you got it now. Now just pull it straight towards Hunter. Put that back up on.
That was way better than last time.
That was pretty good. Look off.
Look at that. That's all.
You're dripping it on the shop.
It's fine. It already happened.
You guys thought I was the reason I didn't have nice stuff.
Hey, and look at this. I'm clean. So now we wait.
One eternity later.
You're gonna want to come over and find the next tool that you're gonna need.
All right.
Well, look in the top of that toolbox and find anything that you think that would take an oil filter off.
Is it this?
No, that's for a Dana 44 front end.
This?
You got her.
Okay, let's do this. How do you get it on? Hold this part. Okay. Is anything gonna squirt out of this?
Yeah, oil.
Oh, for the love. Gosh, I'm not.
Hurry, you gotta get that tool out of the way before catastrophic failure. Oh, now I'm holding that too. There you go.
Gross!
Grease rags right there.
I talked way too soon. I thought we were done with the dirty part of this situation.
Now you just let that drip until it's done. Then you pull it off. I wouldn't touch your hair anymore or your face after this point.
I'm getting a pair of gloves on. Oh, gross. This is sick and wrong.
It's just oil.
Okay, I did it. That wasn't so bad.
You're dripping on the floor again.
I didn't realize you were so anal about your floor.
Well, I don't like tracking it around.
Left my gloves on for this.
Do
Where's
with
my
gloves.
tool? I gotta tighten this
I
up.
don't know. That's called a ridge.
Whatever. That's probably good. Real fast though. These little bolts are very important because if it comes out, your oil's gonna come out. So you want it nice and tight.
I don't even know if you can fit in the bag.
I can fit in the back. Here. It's like a little kid ready to go. Mom, Dad, let's go. Are we there yet?
You ask again, I'm pulling this car over.
You're gonna walk home.
So we interrupt this video to take the cornet for a cruise
Yeah.
and save you guys some money.
We're gonna save you money on Upside.
We personally use this app and we love it so far.
We saved $20 using Upside.
Woohoo! And you can save even more than that.
Yeah, when you're driving this big block Cornet or any big block, you can save some money.
You can save money at restaurants, at the gas pump, all sorts of places with Upside.
The app is really easy to use. Even I can use it.
Yeah, even Paul can use it.
To get started, download the free Upside app in the App Store or Google Play. Next, claim an offer for whatever you're buying on Upside. Check in at the business, pay as usual with a credit or debit card, and get paid. In comparison to other loyalty programs, you can earn 3 times more cash back using Upside.
Download the Upside app and use promo code Fab Rats.
If you use promo code Fab Rats, you'll get $5 or more cash back with your first purchase of $10 or more.
It's a no-brainer.
You can cash out whenever you want to.
So download Upside today.
Hey, listen, I need you to take and dip your finger in some of that oil and rub it around that seal. Oh, you gotta check and make sure, pick that filter up and see if there's an O-ring on the bottom of it. Is there an O-ring on it?
Yes.
Okay, we're good, set it down. Take your finger and do this.
Ew.
There you go, now she'll seal.
Let me explain to the audience because you guys don't know what an O-ring is. So I'm going to let you know that this right here is an O-ring. And then you just gently twist her back on. You do.
Never tighten the
You
filter.
don't tighten it?
Hand tight. We're gonna get grief because you didn't fill that full of oil. I mean, if that was a big filter, we'd fill it up, but it's a small filter. It's really gonna make zero difference on this.
So when I start this, it's going to put it in anyways?
Yes. Go ahead and give yourself a general check over underneath. Make sure everything else is good.
Yep. Everything looks good. It looks great.
All right, come over here. I'll introduce you to my little friend.
Say hello to my little
To the
friend.
grease gun. Find a grease nipple and plug it on. Do you know what a grease nipple looks like?
Probably one of these.
Have you
And
ever
one of
seen?
these.
No, those are bolts. Right on top of this, there's a grease nipple. You plug it on there, pull that trigger, and pump some grease in it. Go to the other side and do it.
Right there.
Put it on, pull the trigger. A little more, little more. Okay, that's enough.
Now that helps the wheels to spin better.
Oh, look.
So now we're gonna put the car down.
We're gonna set it down and put the oil in it.
A few months ago, one of our fans sent me an oil changing kit, and we're totally gonna use the oil that he sent us.
Right there, Prime Guard.
I was like trying to grab it without looking.
You're like Vanna White.
All right.
You're doing a good job.
This doesn't even say oil on it. So everyone knows how to do this, because I'm pretty sure you don't. You have to put the same oil in as it says right here.
We're not doing that. We're putting 530
But
in
we're
it.
not doing this. We're putting that in.
530's good. This
Because
is.
we like to live on the edge. And then you just pour it in. Here's what's really gonna be cool. Trick shots.
never
with
gonna
Michelle.
happen.
Trick shots. I can't even see where the trash can is. I'm just. Was I close?
A little bit farther.
But was I like in line with it?
Pretty sort of.
See?
Same spot.
Oh,
Do I still need to hold the funnel?
yeah. You're the teacher. Third time's the charm. Way off! I was like off to the right. Well, do we need to check at like 5?
Yeah, we do
Just to
need to
see
check
where-
it at 5.
Let's see if you can do any better with not seeing.
Oh,
where
you want
the-
me to throw
Yeah,
one?
I want you to throw it.
And he made it.
Are you kidding me? Good job. Okay.
Woo, it's my house, Michelle. This is my house.
I don't think I have ever checked the oil on this.
Are you kidding
I'm
me?
dead serious. I don't even know where it is. But give me a second and I'll figure it out. It's probably gonna be somewhere right here, but I can't see it anywhere.
It is on this side.
That was in my way of vision. Oh.
You're missing out, Ben. We have learned some stuff. Oh, yeah. Where's it at on there?
You know, I've always had a hard time figuring out where it is at on this thing. Because to me,
No, look.
it's like everywhere.
No, see the back? You can see? Barely on the stick.
So we need more.
I'm going to need one of these motors here shortly.
You just wait a little bit.
She'll crash this one and I can
Okay.
It happened once.
First
okay.
of all-
I'm just gonna let her go.
First of all, I did not crack. I didn't do it. I was an innocent bystander and somebody ran into me.
back in. We're going to start it, cycle the oil, and then you can throw all the stuff you want at the garbage
All
can.
right.
Up oil. That was the good noise we were looking to hear.
All right.
What does it look like?
It looks like there's nothing on the stick now.
Give us another. Fill her up, mate.
Look at how good of a job that was. I think that was it. I think that I could do this without you.
I think you'd get her.
So hopefully you guys learned something too. All right, now that that's complete, she's good to go. We forgot one step. It says change
Oh.
engine oil. How do we set this?
You said it. Ben knows how.
We have expert Ben here with us to tell us how to reset the oil.
Let's push it.
Thing. Okay.
Go through your buttons.
There you go.
There it is.
Now you
Now
hold
put
down
the
the check
check.
mark. Yes. Hold it down. There you go.
Look at that. So now we're back to 100%. And that's how you do it, folks. So if you guys need your oil change for any reason,
Michelle can do it.
I can do it whether I'm going
It
to or
might take
not.
half a day. Only half a day.
Thanks for watching.